we doing?
We are at some trail in Big Bear. We got up here like 8 o'clock this morning, so we made it though. That's the biggest thing. I mean, I'm assuming you're gonna see what we went through to get here. So, hey, bunch of degenerates, what's up?
Wanna go wheeling?
The front drive shaft on.
Okay. So the last episode, the guys built the truck in 5 hours, which pretty much sent all their plans of packing, getting food, waking up early, getting on the road out the window. Morning of, they met up with Ian from Wheel Every Weekend, continued the 2.5-hour jaunt from San Diego, and eventually, sparing the complexities of airing down, logistics, food, water, beer, and navigation, got to the trailhead around 9 o'clock, and were ready to put their hard work to the test. And a test it was.
Never been up this trail, but
So these hubs, they're brand new, right? And really expensive, and they don't work. I have to use my crescent wrench that's this big to shift into 4x hubs.
Sweet.
So it's a good thing that they weren't like $300 and also brand new.
Yeah, that's a good thing that's not the case.
Some of what I said may have been incredulous, yes.
Dude, you're gonna have to help me out with spotting. I don't know what I'm doing. Why not?
Well, I'm thinking that maybe I'm a reasonable slow driver and not so good fast driver. I didn't have the fans on. Should I turn it off and let it cool? And, oh yeah, there we go. The light turned off, so we're fine.
That's just a warning, right?
Yeah.
Dip down more. All right, now straight.
I got stuck on this log, and I think it was because you spotted me wrong.
I'm hung up on the log.
Again.
What? Is that a freeway compartment too?
It's not a dual zone, the problem is
Here we are on the trail. Can't see how backed up we are right now, but somebody was coming the other way on the trail. And so we have to
You want some beer salt?
hang out with our friends.
You guys want beer salt?
Beer salt is the best.
do you have nacho cheese enchilada flavor?
Been stuck here for like 30 minutes.
Yeah, Todd picked the hard line and he's still stuck.
Todd?
All right,
Should we talk to Todd?
What you want?
You're doing great. You're doing great, Todd. Keep up the good work.
We still have plenty of water, so we're not gonna have to drink our own urine yet.
Hard line.
I thought you said we were out of water.
Oh,
I just drank all my urine for nothing.
I know.
Move on! Get out of here!
We just made it through this little section here. Kind of bound up, and then we made it through that. Everything was good, and then straight diff hang. We're really trying to. This is the testing grounds, right? So we'll see what happens with this thing.
If we could maybe petition the state of California to get all these rocks shaved down, that'd be great. Then anybody could come out and have a good time. Clearly bureaucracy, clearly. Huh?
Just take off the edge.
Ian, how's your day? You're having a pretty lax day.
Yeah, it's chill.
Good. I'm glad.
Chill. Just a day out with the boys.
It's good to get out of that shop.
Oh yeah, it's a nightmare in there. We got such good weather.
Are we almost to 100,000 miles on the Bent Mobile?
I think we're gonna hit 100,000 miles going through the Gatekeeper.
Good omen.
I'm like the planner of the century, right? One day I went, you know what? I'm not gonna drive the Jeep to work today because I want to make sure I don't come up short. So, it's planning.
How do you feel about this, Cole?
think it might be my life's greatest achievement.
Jake, are you stuck?
No, I'm just, working my way up.
So if anybody was wondering, Ian does in fact have huge balls.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Tie rod.
Broken?
Yeah, it's folded.
Way now.
That's breaking before the end of this. 100%.
Oh yeah, it's for sure breaking.
No.
How many times did you bend a coat hanger?
No, I didn't bend it back. I twisted it back.
Well, now he's gonna bend it back.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
So the question is, do you want to weld something to it right now while it's still kind of straight? Or do you want to get to where Dave's Jeep is and then weld something to it?
What is this trail? I mean, it's only like 2.5 miles.
I don't remember.
We're like a mile in, and we've got another mile to go.
All I remember is snow.
We haven't got to the rough stuff yet.
We keep voyaging.
I can't believe you didn't bring a tie rod.
I know. I actually.
You brought 2 CVs.
I was gonna. They're different lengths. God damn it.
You could bring one center section and a top section.
My love could cut her down, won't be no warning sound, won't be no shot of light down from the sky. No writing on the wall that won't be there at all. I wonder if there's any reason why, oh why. When
Tires back on. When I say we, I mean Ian and Jake did a lot of it. I know, pretty much all of it. They're so cute. They're so good looking. Oh my god. He loves that, man. It's his favorite thing. He loves chewing on bark.
I could push you from the back on your swing out.
Yeah, buddy.
I would advise against it.
We're back on the trail, yeah?
Yeah, we're
So it's all fucking
oil pan. Oh, rear fender. Oh gosh.
Around here, we call that a perfect day.
I'm trying to make sure.
Oh my god.
Sure, the Explorer had to winch out a couple of times, and we ended the day way later than planned. But everyone was okay with that. Russo started as a trail novice, never actually been proper wheeling before, and ended as the #1 point man of the day.
Killing it.
David.
You.
I'm a master?
Yeah, at the end of the day, you're killing it. Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so happy. Alright, stop. Holy shit.
Jake proved he could build a truck that could hang with the big dogs. Ian got out of the shop and showed us a thing or two. And Dave, as always, made sure we didn't hurt ourselves.
Did that Explorer just make it through John Bull?
And that's the point. Go out with your friends, find some trouble, test your metal, and make it back home.
Oh.
Sad day in America.
If that's your main goal, wheeling is for you. It's definitely our style, and hopefully, we'll see you out there next time.
Mutation.
How does this lady make me go crazy?
James.
David. How was today, David?
Today was super fun.
Look where I put us out at.
Yeah, I enjoy problem solving and figuring things out.
So we started out way over here at Running Springs. And then somehow we did all this crap over here. And then we got all the way over. That's Lake Arrowhead. Now we're north of north of Big Bear Lake. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Look at it. Sick.
That's pretty cool.
I don't know what it is, but it's sick.
So far out.